The attention to detail is staggering. From the analog dials to the exposed metallic gear linkage, the
Standing in front of a car that feels less like a machine and more like a moving sculpture. This is the Pagani Utopia Coupé, Horacio Pagani's answer to a modern automotive world that's increasingly digital, automated, and honestly, a bit soulless. The Utopia isn't here to chase lap times or flex futuristic screens. It's here to remind us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. At first glance, the design hits you quietly, not aggressively. There are no exaggerated wings screaming for attention, no fake vents pretending to be functional. Instead, every line feels intentional. The body is carved from Pagani's signature Carbo Titanium HP62G2 and Carbo Triax HP62, advanced composite materials that are both lighter and stronger than what Pagani used before. In simple terms, it's insanely rigid while keeping the weight impressively low. The proportions are classic
Created
Pagani,
with free version for
compact,
non-commercial use.
muscular, and elegant. The circular headlights, exposed fasteners, and clean surfaces give it a timeless feel, like something that could sit comfortably in both a modern showroom and a design museum 30 years from now. Move around the car and you'll notice the aerodynamic philosophy. Instead of massive wings, the Utopia relies on subtle airflow management. The underbody, rear diffuser, and carefully shaped rear end generate downforce naturally. Pagani wanted stability at speed without ruining the car's beauty, and that balance is a huge part of what makes the Utopia special. It's aero you feel, not aero you see. Now let's talk about what's beating at the heart of this thing, because this is where enthusiasts start smiling. The Utopia is powered by a 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 developed exclusively for Pagani by Mercedes-AMG. No hybrid assistance, no electric motors, just a pure internal combustion engine making around 852
Created with free version for
horsepower and
non-commercial use.
1,100 Newton-meters of torque. Numbers aside, what matters more is how it delivers that power. The engine is tuned for responsiveness and character, not just raw output. You get that deep, mechanical roar, the kind of sound that feels alive and emotional rather than synthesized. And then there's the transmission, arguably the boldest statement Pagani made with this car. The Utopia Coupé comes with a 7-speed manual gearbox as standard. In 2025, that's almost unheard of in the hypercar world. Yes, there's an automated manual option for those who want it, but the manual is the star here. The exposed linkage, the polished metal gate, the tactile resistance as you slot it into gear, it's all designed to make the driver feel connected. This isn't about being the fastest from 0 to 60. It's about being involved every single second behind the wheel. Performance-wise, the Utopia is still brutally quick. With a curb weight of around
Created with free version
1,280
for non-commercial
kilograms,
use.
the power-to-weight ratio is wild. Acceleration is instant, and the car feels light on its feet, almost playful for something with this much power. The suspension setup, developed with active dampers, strikes a balance between comfort and precision. On a smooth road, it feels planted and confident. Push harder, and it rewards you with sharp turn-in and predictable behavior. This is a hypercar you can actually enjoy on real roads, not just admire in a climate-controlled garage. Step inside, and the cabin is a complete rejection of modern minimalist trends. There are no giant touchscreens dominating the dashboard. Instead, you're greeted by beautifully machined aluminum dials, analog gauges, and exposed mechanical components. Everything you touch feels solid and handcrafted. The leather, the stitching, the metal switches, it all screams craftsmanship. Even the pedals and steering wheel feel like they were designed by someone who truly
Created
loves
with
driving.
free version for non-commercial
Yet,
use.
it's not outdated. The Utopia still includes modern necessities like navigation and connectivity, but they're discreetly integrated so they don't steal attention from the driving experience. Pagani wanted the cabin to feel timeless, not trendy, and that philosophy comes through in every detail. One of the most unique selling points of the Utopia Coupé is its philosophy. Pagani openly said this car was designed to fight against overcomplexity. No electrification, no autonomous driving gimmicks, no overwhelming tech layers separating you from the road. It's a celebration of mechanical purity, of sound, touch, and emotion. In a world where hypercars are becoming rolling computers, the Utopia feels refreshingly human. Exclusivity, of course, is part of the package. Production is limited to just 99 coupes, each customizable to an extreme degree. Buyers can work directly with Pagani to choose materials.